how to display match history in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the history. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here we are in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to customize and have different options. Now here on the left, simply select features and privacy. So this is the place where you can turn on the match history. Here on the right, simply tap on this enable button. So after you do that, you'll be able to show the match history too. Now you can even watch others' match history and you can see your own match history too. So it will be displayed in your profile and it will even show if you won or lose the game. Now if you go back, it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.